Hello guys, welcome to Quick Guide. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to use handwritten translation on Google Translate. For that, first of all, open up your Google Translate app. After you open up the app, on the left hand side you'll have to select the language you want to translate from. And on right hand side you'll have to select the language you want to translate to. After that, you can see a right icon on right hand side. Tap on it. Now you can write anything on your screen and Google Translate will help you translate it. After you have finished writing, tap on the arrow sign which is on right hand side. This is how you use handwritten translation on Google Translate. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.